This is the NCODE Series 1 portable streaming kit. It comes with everything you need to get streaming quickly. Inside of a Pelican Air case, you'll find a Living as One portable encoder and a half rack with an input return feed, a high definition video camera, a tripod, and all the cables you'll need to connect everything together. Let's see what it looks like all set up. So here's the kit fully set up. You can see that there is a return feed from the camera with audio meters, giving you confidence about what's being fed to the encoder. And then over here we have the camera feeding out a signal with the tripod. If you take a look at the back, we have two audio connections for audio input, left and right channels, and by default, the unit's going to be configured to receive audio from these XLR connections. We also have a camera input via HDMI, a camera output for a return feed via SDI, and network. Below we have power input and power output in case you need to connect your camera to this box. Once everything is connected and online, simply click Start to begin streaming from the Living as One website. Thanks for checking out the NCODE Series 1 streaming kit. You can find this kit and others at our website, livingasone.com/kits, and we hope this will make your streaming experience quick and easy.